आंखों में सपने लिए घर से हम चल तो दिए, जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएंगी कहाँ। मिट्टी की खुशबू आई, पलकों पे आंसू लाए, पलकों पे रह जाएगा यादों का जहां। मंजिल नहीं है अनजाना है कारवां, चलना अकेले है यहाँ। तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर, ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर. Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson we're covering a song request and I will be teaching you the very popular, very melodious song Tanha Dil by Shaan. So if you're excited to learn this song, take out your uke. Now once you get your uke, you have to be sure that your ukulele is in tune. And let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song you need 5 chords, and these chords are chord A minor, chord C, chord F, chord G and chord D. So in case you already know these chords, then you can skip to the next part of this lesson. Else, let's first learn how to play these chords. So to play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A minor will sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord C will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. So now let's discuss about strumming pattern. So in this song we're using a common strumming pattern, that is down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. So guys, this strumming pattern can be a little challenging for beginners, and to practice it, what you can do, you can simply break it into parts and then you can practice it. Okay, so basically we can break this pattern into 5 parts. Alright, so the first part of this pattern would be single downstroke. Okay, the second part of this pattern would be up down. Okay, so you have to play it in regular fashion, so up down. Then the third part would be again a single downstroke. Then the fourth part would be down up. Okay, and the fifth part would be again a single downstroke. So you keep on practicing these parts one by one. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, so down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Try to get comfortable with this pattern, and once your hands are comfortable on the strings, then you would be able to play it like this. Okay, and then with practice you would be able to play it like this. So guys, let's talk about each section of this song in detail. So the song will be starting with verse, and in verse part we have to use 4 chords. So the 4 chords are chord A minor, chord C, chord G and chord D. All these chords are in order. So we'll be starting with chord A minor. Okay, so we'll play this pattern 2 times on chord A minor, and then we have to do a half of this pattern on chord A minor. Okay, so 2.5 on chord A minor. So let me play this part for you, and then I'm going to explain you how you have to play this on your ukuleles. So आंखों में सपने लिए घर से हम चल तो दिए जाने. Now you have to change to chord C. ये राहें अब. Okay, so half of that pattern was played on chord A minor, and now I just played the rest of the pattern. So the rest of the pattern was down, up, down, down. Okay, so on chord A minor I played this pattern 2 times completely, then I played down, up, down there, and then I switched to chord C and I played down, up, down, down. Okay, now after that you have to play chord G, and on chord G you have to play half of this pattern, that is down, up, down, and then you have to hold chord D. Okay, and then you play the next half of this pattern. So down, up, down, down. So let me play this part one more time for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. आंखों में सपने लिए घर से हम चल तो दिए जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएंगी कहाँ. Okay. Now you have to repeat the same thing again. मिट्टी की खुशबू आई पलकों पे आंसू लाए पलकों पे रह जाएगा यादों का जहां. Okay, so this completes verse 1. So the next part of this song is pre-chorus, and in pre-chorus we have to play this pattern once on chord F, chord G, chord F and chord D. Okay, so let me quickly play this part for you. मंजिल नहीं है जाना है कारवां चलना अकेले है यहाँ. Alright, so you just ended on chord D. So this completed the pre-chorus part. Okay, now we're gonna move to chorus, and chorus will sound like this. तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर. तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर. Alright, so this is very straightforward. You have to play this pattern one time per chord. So chord A minor, chord C, chord G and chord D, and you'll play this pattern one time on each chord. So that's how you'll play the chorus part. Now in rest of the song you will be playing the same thing again and again. On verse 2 you will be playing things exactly same like verse 1. On pre-chorus you will be doing the same thing, and on chorus you will be again doing the same thing. So that's how you will be able to play the entire song. So now as we learned everything, let's quickly start playing the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. आंखों में सपने लिए घर से हम चल तो दिए जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएंगी कहाँ. मिट्टी की खुशबू आई पलकों पे आंसू लाए पलकों पे रह जाएगा यादों का जहां. मंजिल नहीं है जाना है कारवां चलना अकेले है यहाँ. तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर. तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर. तन्हा दिल. दिलकश नजारे देखे झिलमिल सितारे देखे आंखों में फिर भी तेरा चेहरा है जवां. कितनी सौगातें आई कितनी बरसातें आई कानों में फिर भी गूंजे तेरी ही सदा. वादे किए पे अपना होगा आशिया वादों का जाने होगा क्या. तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर, तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर, तन्हा दिल. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm sure you must have liked this lesson. Please subscribe to ukeguide for more amazing lessons like this, and make sure you hit the bell icon. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.